You've got your shiny new Lunar card, but where exactly can you swipe it? Let's dive in. Lunar is revolutionizing the way we think about money. It's more than just a card, it's a financial tool designed to make your life easier. But where does this magic card work its wonder? The basics, where Lunar shines. Online shopping, from Amazon to Zara, your Lunar card is your digital passport to a world of online shopping. Physical stores, most retailers that accept MasterCard or Visa will happily accept your Lunar card. Think of your favorite local shops, supermarkets, and even those high-end boutiques. The global reach. Lunar is not just a local player, it's a global citizen. You can use your card in numerous countries around the world. Europe, from the bustling streets of Paris to the serene countryside of Norway, your Lunar card is your financial companion. Asia, explore the vibrant cities of Tokyo, Seoul, and Singapore, knowing your card is accepted at countless establishments. North America, from the iconic streets of New York to the sunny beaches of California, your Lunar card is your reliable financial partner. Australia and New Zealand, discover the beauty of these lands, knowing your Lunar card is accepted in most places. The fine print, exceptions and considerations. While Lunar has a wide acceptance, there are a few exceptions to keep in mind. Smaller, independent stores, some smaller, independent stores, especially those in remote areas, might not accept foreign cards. Specific retailers, while most retailers accept Lunar, a few might have specific policies or technical limitations. Tips for smooth transactions. Check the merchant. Before making a purchase, quickly check if the merchant displays MasterCard or Visa logos. Inform your bank. If you're traveling internationally, inform your bank about your travel plans to avoid any potential issues. Currency conversion. Be aware of currency conversion fees when using your card abroad. Some banks and card providers charge additional fees. ATM withdrawals. While you can withdraw cash from ATMs with your Lunar card, be mindful of potential fees. The future of Lunar. Lunar is constantly expanding its network and improving its services. As the company grows, so does the acceptance of its cards. With its global reach and wide acceptance, your Lunar card is a versatile financial tool. Whether you're shopping online, exploring a new city, or simply paying for your daily expenses, your Lunar card is there to make your life easier. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.